Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here with another great episode on KASPA cryptocurrency price prediction for June 2024. Looking for discovering what's happening based on data of the market, based on the charts and price prediction that we are offered through the scripted side of the market, through the cryptid market, of course, through everything that necessitates skills to understand between the lines. Before we get into the topic, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. KASPA is yet again in the tops. It is among the biggest gators and it's gaining the attention of people. We are used to that, folks. We have been seeing movements and crazy spikes to the tops, even though there's been times when KASPA was quite slow and other cryptocurrencies were actually pumping. As you can see, the current altcoin season is total different than the other bull market seasons. You don't get to see the majority of cryptos moving at the same time. You get to see them moving in categories, which is totally different, right? So if your crypto that is in a different category is not moving at the moment, it do not mean that in the upcoming weeks we'll have to repeat the same behavior. For those of you that care about education and coaching, this is one-on-one with me. I'll talk about at the end, including the ability to join my trading journey without any prior fees. We'll talk about at the end, folks. Now, daily candles for KASPA. This is the situation we are located at the moment, guys. I mean, it's very interesting because you have a line here that separates the whole space. It's the golden pocket between the two horizontal black lines situated on 15 cents. That's the golden pocket you have. As soon as you trade above 15 cents and you confirm that, you are having targets for the all-time high. If you don't confirm above 50 cents, you fall in the lower structure of the Fibonacci. Lower structure of the Fibonacci means below 15, as low as 10 cents, right? So it's quite of a strong one. If you are putting together the numbers, you'll see down it's around 35%, and to the upside represents that 50% mark. Obviously from 10 to 15 is 15%. So what's happening in this case scenario, and why is it different than the previous movement in the upper side of the Fibonacci box? Well, last time you have been losing the golden pocket, which is the bottom of the upper rectangle, and confirming below that with a massive rejection exactly in the candlesticks I have been circling right there. Right now, just like you can see the arrow on the right side, it is totally different because we are getting confirmed as we speak above 20 days moving average that sits below us, and that's the red line. And you're also having a great reaction from the golden pocket over there. So now I clearly see that 16 cents, 15 cents are confirming in our support, which means a great possibility for us today and the upcoming days to deliver a closing of the candlestick above on the daily above 18 cents, right? So get this cryptocurrency closed above 18 cents. And you're going to the all-time high quickly. But what kind of all-time high? Well, I wouldn't target anything below 1.618 and number 2 extension, which means nothing below 25 cents, nothing below 28 cents. This is the first target for me for June, folks. If we speak about the bullishness that is expected for the last 2 weeks of June, there is time left since I'm filming this video. 49% on the first target to 25 cents. And 71% for the second target, which is not that likely like the first one. Of course, there might not be sufficient time for us to move like that during this month, but I would actually extend the possibility for July, and I would be happy from this level to receive in about 40-50 days of movement that would consist 71%. If I put that out at a 5x leverage, that is a 350% on my margin, which is something extremely good. Now, are there possibilities for the market to go to the opposite direction? Of course, possibilities are. When you speak about trading, when you speak about the financial markets, the possibilities are unlimited. The question must be asked a little different. Is it likely? Well, it's not likely for the markets to go down from here. Yet it is possible. So that's one thing everyone must understand when dealing with the financial assets, which is why you only deal with resources you can afford to lose partially and completely. This is at the moment the presentation of the language of the market for KASPA for late June 2024, guys, with a bit of extension into July as well. But I'd like to see the markets breaking that top, and the first thing that I need, just like I said, is a closing above 18 cents on the daily. Give me a candlestick that is closing above 18 cents, and I'm gonna target the 25 cents. I'm also happy with a confirmation here, which is most likely leaning towards a confirmation above 18 cents as well. Yeah, we're still missing it. Let's find out more in the upcoming hours and days. Let's see how does the United States economical data comes out. Let's find out more about the whole topic of the space and the environment, which should lead us into a bullish phase of the alts. Enjoy, folks. Take care. And make sure to find out more about the one-on-one education directly with me, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Check out this video till the end. I'll explain you how it works. You also have the ability to qualify for a free call with me. And then the done for you trading, you can join my trades without any prior fee. Enjoy. And now I would like to talk for those of you that believe in education and care about their performance. So it's time to share more details about my one-on-one coaching program. This is done with me live, where I'll take you by hand, just like I said, and teach you how to trade from A to Z, which means starting from the mindset psychology side into the technical analysis, understanding the language of the market, encrypting the charts, and being familiar with the language in terms of what does the market communicates with you. Understand the whole process, and then know how to react to those messages that the markets are delivering to you guys. Knowing how to react obviously is a sophisticated process. How to trade, when to trade, what to trade, when to exit, how to exit, and how to deal with an active trade. All the situations that are considered complex and a trader needs to know. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time trading, it doesn't matter. What matters is you need to increase your educational level in order to perform in the markets correctly and most likely in a predictable way. Trading is not gambling. Not at all. Trading is a type of activity where a person is trading an asset when the probabilities of a direction are very high. So he has the ability to recognize those moments when a probability compared to the other, so a energy of bullishness or bearishness, is having a very, very strong possibilities of going into a direction. This is when a trader steps in and it is in advantage towards the market, so he's trying to make money with that. That's the whole idea of the process. It's definitely not something that has a very, very high level of unknown and random outcome at all the times. No, there are situations like that as well. I can confirm that. Been trading since 2014 full time, but the idea is that there are situations where the randomness or the unpredictability is not high, and that makes the spots for the traders. So check out the video to understand how does it work. Register now for a free conversation with me, a one-on-one coaching where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you how to trade on Zoom conversations with homework, with exercises, with everything that is needed. Just like for the completely done for you on the trading side, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees. Just a commission from the profits we earn. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. This is my journey. You can check out the links in the description area, in the comments area for everything. It's completely done for you. We are using our ChatGPT bot for trading. It helps us to perform, it helps us to run the analysis, and it helps for the accuracy side. So it's done through API trading permission, and it's simple, straightforward. I can explain you more. Just reach out to me if you think this is a good option for you. Have a good time around it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.